Paying over MSRP on a mass-produced car is a fast track to burning cash, and it can trap you in negative equity. Here's the proof and how to avoid it. MSRP already bakes in profit. Paying above it on a mainstream model compounds your biggest cost, depreciation, and adds interest on the markup itself. Here's the math. Typical mass-produced cars lose about 20% in year 1, then 10 to 15% per year after. Compare two buyers. At MSRP $35,000, after a year the car's worth roughly $28,000, about a $7,000 hit. Over MSRP at $40,000? Same value after a year, but a $12,000 loss. Plus financing that extra $5,000 adds nearly $1,000 in interest alone. Smart buyers order at MSRP from competing dealers, wait for supply to normalize, consider lightly used, and negotiate only on out-the-door price backed by pre-approval. Mass-produced cars are depreciating tools. Paying over MSRP multiplies your losses and keeps you upside down longer. Want the math done for you? Go to JetsetWealthstyle.com to use the intuitive auto purchasing calculator and explore our other smart money tools and ebooks.